I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by bringing the file into Capcut and preparing it for editing. First, open Capcut and create a new project. Import the video you want to mute. Place the clip on the timeline and trim rough edges so you focus on the relevant segment. Make sure waveform view or audio visualization is enabled to see peaks. This helps you identify where to remove sound. Once done, pause and zoom the timeline so you can select precisely. This makes the next steps faster and more accurate. Now remove the audio from the footage itself by either detaching or muting it. Select the video clip and tap Detach Audio to create a separate audio track. This gives you exact control to delete or edit portions. If you prefer a quicker method, use the mute command on the clip to silence all audio instantly. For partial removals, split the audio track at the points you marked earlier, then delete or reduce the volume of only those segments. Make sure you listen after each change to verify timing and smoothness. Finish by confirming the edit and exporting the file with the desired settings. If you want silence, leave audio removed. Otherwise, add replacement music or voiceover and set levels so nothing clips. Export using the same resolution and frame rate to avoid sync issues, and preview the final file to confirm the audio is gone. If you still hear sound, try clearing Capcut cache, reopening the project and re-exporting, and also check your device's playback volume or other apps that might be mixing audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.